Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to download Aviator Predictor app on phone. So let's start. So first let's give permission to Google Chrome to download apps. So for that, let's go to settings and then let's scroll down and let's go to the privacy protection. Let's click there and then let's scroll down and then let's go to special permissions. Just click there, then scroll down again, and then let's go to the option that says install unknown apps. So just click there, just wait, and when everything is loaded, just look for the app Google Chrome. Okay, so let's wait a little bit. Just let's looking for Google Chrome, and if you check it says no load, just you have to click here for activating allow. So just press I am aware and then just wait until okay it's available. Just press OK. So if you check, now it's activate and Chrome is allowed. So now let's go to our Google Chrome. Then let's looking for the app Aviator Predictor, and then let's go to this option. If you check, it says that it's a file APK, so just click on download and the app will download on your phone. Well guys, I hope it works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a like to this video.